This is the ASUS NUC 14 Pro, and honestly, it might make you question whether you even need a full-size desktop anymore. ASUS promises workstation-level performance in a box that's barely bigger than your hand. But after digging into expert testing and real-world performance, I found a few things that don't show up on the spec sheet. So is this tiny PC actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. ASUS NUC 14 Pro product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the ASUS NUC 14 Pro, the latest compact mini PC from ASUS, after taking over Intel's NUC business. Released with Intel's Core Ultra processors, it's designed for professionals, developers, home office users, content creators, and anyone who wants desktop-class performance without sacrificing desk space. Its biggest selling point is simple, premium performance in an incredibly compact design. Unlike many mini PCs that force compromises, the NUC 14 Pro brings modern Intel Core Ultra CPUs, integrated Intel Arc graphics, AI acceleration through the dedicated NPU, Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, and support for multiple 4K displays. All inside a chassis that's easy to hide behind a monitor or mount under a desk. ASUS NUC 14 Pro performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing. For everyday productivity, this little machine absolutely flies. Whether you're juggling dozens of Chrome tabs, editing documents, attending Zoom meetings, or working across multiple monitors, everything feels quick and responsive. Move into heavier workloads like Lightroom, Photoshop, software development, or light 4K video editing, and the Core Ultra processor continues to impress. The new Intel Arc integrated graphics offer a noticeable improvement over previous Intel integrated GPUs, making creative workloads much smoother than older NUC generations. The AI features also deserve a mention. Thanks to the built-in neural processing unit, supported AI applications can offload certain tasks more efficiently, which helps future-proof the system as AI software becomes more common. Now, let's be realistic. This isn't replacing a high-end gaming desktop with an RTX 5080 or a dedicated workstation GPU. AAA gaming is possible at lower settings and resolutions, but that's clearly not what this machine was designed for. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First is the Intel Core Ultra platform. Besides delivering strong CPU performance, it includes dedicated AI hardware that prepares this system for next-generation productivity tools. As more software adopts AI acceleration, that's becoming increasingly valuable. Next, Thunderbolt 4 is a huge win. You can connect ultra-fast external SSDs, docking stations, multiple displays, or even external GPUs for specialized workloads. It adds tremendous flexibility. Storage and memory upgrades are refreshingly simple. ASUS designed the NUC 14 Pro so users can easily access the internals, making RAM and SSD upgrades straightforward. That's something many compact systems don't do particularly well. Connectivity is another strength. Depending on configuration, you get Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, dual HDMI outputs, Ethernet, and Thunderbolt. Whether you're building a clean workstation or connecting several peripherals, you'll rarely run out of options. Design and build. Aesthetically, ASUS kept things simple. And honestly, that's exactly the right approach. The matte black chassis looks professional enough for any office or home workspace. It's compact, clean, and doesn't scream gaming PC. The build quality feels solid, with excellent fit and finish throughout. Its tiny footprint is probably the biggest advantage. You can place it almost anywhere, mount it behind a monitor using the included VISA bracket, or tuck it neatly under your desk. Ventilation is thoughtfully designed, allowing airflow without making the system look bulky. Fingerprints aren't much of an issue either, thanks to the textured finish. Overall, it feels like a premium business class device built for years of reliable use. Pros. Excellent CPU performance for productivity and creative work. Tiny, space-saving design with premium build quality. Modern Intel Arc graphics outperform previous Intel integrated solutions. Cons. Premium configurations become expensive. Fan noise becomes noticeable during sustained heavy workloads. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're a professional, programmer, student, home office worker, or someone building a clean desktop setup, the ASUS NUC 14 Pro is incredibly easy to recommend. It delivers desktop-class productivity without occupying your entire workspace. And its upgradeability means it should stay useful for years. If your primary goal is competitive gaming or professional GPU-heavy rendering, you'll get better value from a traditional desktop with dedicated graphics.